I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect headphones to your Garmin Fenix 6. First, make sure your headphones are fully charged and in pairing mode. Keep them very close to your watch for the best connection. To begin, hold down the light button on your Fenix 6 to open the controls menu. This is the initial step to get your audio ready for your activities. Once you're in the controls menu, look for the music icon and select it. This will take you to the music options on your Fenix 6. From there, you'll want to choose the headphones option. Your watch will then automatically start searching for any nearby Bluetooth audio devices that are currently in pairing mode. Be patient during this brief scanning process. After your Fenix 6 has finished scanning, a list of available Bluetooth devices will appear on the screen. Find your specific headphones in this list and select them to initiate the pairing process. If your watch prompts you, confirm the pairing request. You'll see a clear confirmation message on your watch face once your headphones are successfully connected and ready to use. Now that your headphones are paired, it's a good idea to test the connection. Play some audio, perhaps from a playlist on your watch, to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your Fenix 6 and your headphones can often resolve them. Also, make sure no other devices are currently connected to your headphones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.